The Emerson Sensi Pro Thermostat ST75 is a Wi-Fi smart thermostat that is compatible with various smart home platforms such as Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, Apple HomeKit, CY Required, and Samsung SmartThings. This Energy Star certified thermostat is capable of saving approximately 23% on HVAC energy, thanks to features like geofencing, 7-day flexible scheduling, remote access, and in-app system usage monitoring. The thermostat can be installed in 30 minutes or less using the built-in level and step-by-step app instructions, eliminating the need for extra work such as painting or patching the wall. The Sensi mobile app allows for remote control of home comfort from smartphones or tablets, compatible with both Android and iOS devices. The Sensi thermostat provides usage reports that monitor current day and historical heating, cooling, and fan runtimes right in the app. The thermostat is equipped with smart alerts to help detect extreme temperature and humidity levels in your home.